Yuhu everybody, my name is Ahmad Bahauddin Mudori. You can call me Baha. And today I'm gonna do some my English assignment is about to how to do things. Yeah, how to I will show you how to upload your website on the hosting or the by domain. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing first is you must go to a website called hostdata.id. Okay, hostdata.id is basically a website who offer the business for hosting as like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, at VPS backup, and a dedicated server. So hosting is basically a server or a um, storage that um, save your website data in the internet. So I'm gonna show you how to use this website. Or you can use whatever website like Hostinger. You can go to Hostinger if you want. But for today, I will show you I will use hostdata.id for my website. So yeah, let's log in first to the let's log into the this verification. Okay, we will pause it. All right, we already in the dashboard for the hostdata.id. So for the first thing you must do is buy some hosting and domains. So let's see the service here. So place a new order if you don't have a hosting. So I use a web hosting Indonesia here. You can choose a hosting um, package that hostdata.id already sell here. For the starter is about 10K rupiah. For developer is 20K. I use the developer one because I want to more storage and unlimited add-on domain, unlimited subdomain, and SSL certificates, and so on and so forth. If you have more budget, you can go to professional, expert, business, even entrepreneur. So the first thing first, you must order now if you don't have the hosting, and after that, you go to domains and buy a new domain that you want. So in here is have much more domains. As for example, this is the for XYZ. This is .com, .net, .top, .org, .site, .biz, .info, and so on and so forth. So I buy the most cheaper in this category is the .my.id. Let's see. Let's see in my domains. As you can see, this is my domain. It's bahamut.my.id. It's very cheap. It's about 20K, I think. And yeah, let's go to the dashboard first. Go to your profile and to account details. And in this portal, we go to the client area. So we back to the dashboard from earlier. So this is we have one service, one hosting, and one domains. So domains is basically your address in the internet, and hosting is basically your storage in the internet. For storage, your data, your website, and so on and so forth. And I will go to the click here, web hosting Indonesia, bambut.my.id. This in this product, we go to scroll down here and login to direct admin. So I buy this domain and hosting on April 3rd and will be expired at the July 3rd. So yeah, we go to the direct admin here. Okay, this is your direct admin. It's basically your control panel about how to manage your hosting. So yeah, this one is your domain, your main domain. So my main domain is bahamut.my.id. For my profile is I'll have a one domain, and you can add subdomains, much unlimited subdomains. For subdomains, I already um, storage my project here, such as Aquabotics. Is basically my assignment from Mr. Daddy. Is basically our founder in the Polytechnic IDN. And this is one is Hafiz. This is this is also my assignment, and portfolio is also my assignment. So yeah, let's see what's here. For the answer management, I don't know what is it. This is SSL certificates to 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 renew your to add your your subdomain, and so on and so forth. This is for FTP management, databases, domain pointers, set redirects, and so on and so forth. Oh, this one is account manager. This one is email manager. This one is advanced feature, system info and files, extra feature and support, and soft close app installer. Has a much many system. So let's check our. So if you want to upload your website on the internet, first thing first is you must have your basically your website. So for example, I will use my portfolio website. Hmm, let's check. I forget where I'm store have. This one. This is a Mr. Daddy assignment. So okay, the first thing first, you must to open your website first, like usual on the terminal, and just click a code.id, a space dot to open your Visual Studio Code, or basically your code manager, code writer, anything. So you go to terminal. Uh, this is terminal, or from the web from the bottom. Just click npm run build. On npm run build is basically to make a new folder called dist dist. Let's wait a bit, wait a moment. So it's automatically create dist folder, this folder. Just wait a little bit. Okay, the project is already done. In your application or website, um, a new folder will be appeared if you use npm run build. It is called dist or dist. This is basically to storage all your summary on your website to the internet or hostinger. So let's see this the folder here. Yes, this one is this. So you want to make sure your disk is to send to the hostinger, to the hosting. You want to move this to this called domains. The first thing first you must do is basically to zip or compress your folder into zip file. This too. So and move this to this your subdomains. I will show you. For example, let's my portfolio public HTML and paste here. and extract here, and copy all the file and the folder inside the public.html and delete your this folder after that. So I will show you. I will delete this file, remove. Let's move our zip folder here, um, and start upload, and more, extract here. You go to this, you click all the folder and file, and move to the public HTML. Move here, and on the public HTML, just delete your this folder and this unzip, remove. So yeah, your website is basically already set to the domain. Let's see our website. Just copy this subdomain or domain, press enter, and voila, your website is already on the internet. Okay, I think it's enough for now. Thank you for watching and goodbye. See you.